everyone. Look at her. Look at her. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, baby? Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'm doing okay myself. I'm not just doing okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing amazing. What's up, baby? What's up?
We're just playing.
What's up, baby?
We're talking. She doesn't even want to play. She just wants to talk.
Today I'm so happy. My baby's 6 months today. Oh yeah, she's 6 months, and I'm so happy because, guys, I have been waiting for this moment to happen. I have been waiting for her to be 6 months. I don't know why. I'm even excited for her to be 6 months more than for her to be 1 year old.
You'll get re-excited when the 1 year comes. You'll be twice as excited.
Really?
Yes. I know you.
And I think the reason why I'm so excited for her to be 6 months is because she's gonna have her first food today, which her dad is gonna give it to her, because her dad have been so excited to give her food. What are you doing, my love? What's up?
She's trying to participate.
Yeah, so she's gonna have her first food today, and we're gonna go shop. So I'm gonna make her a cake, like a fruit cake, because she doesn't want my personal trainer. So my baby's not gonna have a sugar cake at 6 months old. Definitely not. Cause you know, her mama gonna get her right. She's already fast. She's already healthy. She does not need to gain weight, especially like the way you gain from sugars. That's not healthy. That's not healthy at all. So I'm gonna give her the baby cereal, and we're gonna make a cake. And I think the reason why I'm so excited is just more like 6 months, you're starting to see more of their personality, and then see them do the most of things the first time, like eating. So excited, like crawling.
That has an R and an L. That's why.
Yeah, you know my English. When it comes to R and L, I don't know why I struggle with that. Yeah, but I'm so excited that she's 6 months already. So yeah, let's go and see her eating her first food. I'm just cooking breakfast. It's about to be ready, and gonna get ready. Oh yeah, I'm doing a video.
I can tell.
How can you tell?
Because I hear you talking.
How can you tell?
I can tell by the way you're talking.
How do I talk when I'm recording a video? Did I talk different?
So guys, I'm so excited for Renaya's 6 month birthday. She's gonna be eating and crawling and all of that crap.
Crap. And look what he's
I'm
doing.
playing GTA.
Yeah, screen time.
Yeah, I earned it.
Oh yeah, good job. Hey, happy 6 months. Happy 6 months. Okay, yeah, so the breakfast is ready. What are we having today? Today we're having pancakes and scrambled eggs, and here's the baby food. So it's a baby cereal, and I use breast milk. Yeah, she's already ready to eat. She's already ready to eat. Her first food ever. Her first food ever. But here's the little spoon. Let's see. Your first food, baby. Look at daddy.
Cuckoo train.
Look at that.
She ate it fast.
How is it, baby? How is it?
I don't think she likes it.
Look at that face. How is it?
It's a lot thicker than what she normally eats.
Yeah.
So she's like, what is this?
Oh my goodness, baby.
She has to get used to it.
Actually, it looks like she's been eating.
The other thing's been helping.
Good job, baby. Good job. Yeah, good job. Oh, yeah. Just like, give me more.
What is she looking at?
Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Good job. Yeah, so
She's looking at you. I'm feeding her. Hey,
you have been dying to give her food.
I've just been trying to help you out.
Oh my goodness, yes. Good job, my love. Oh yeah, how is it?
I think she likes it.
Look at that.
Better jump after it.
Look at that.
She's jumping after her, but she's like,
Because it's the first time she never tested things like this. It's just a new test to her. Did you see that?
What do you think?
What do you think, baby? She's like, give me more.
Swallow it. She's swallowing it?
Yeah? Let me see, baby. No, I don't have it. Daddy has. Let me see. Oh, she did swallow it. Good job! Mommy's so proud! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at this. Wait, let me see. Oh my god! Look at her. She's a foodie baby. She is a foodie baby. Oh yeah. I think she's
Want a
done.
big bite?
Oh my god.
I can't watch.
What do you mean you can't watch? What do you mean you can't watch? Huh?
You put pepper on them, or you can put
Salt?
The yolk is the best part.
Chick-fil-A sauce or something.
So you can watch her eat because you say she's gross when she eats?
Yeah. Because she's gross when she eats.
Isn't cute? It's cute. Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
I mean, a little bit, but it's more gross than cute.
Look over here.
Oh my gosh, she loves it.
I think she
Big.
It's okay.
No, this is not yours. This is not yours. This is for mama. This is for mommy, baby. This is not for you.
Everything about this baby.
This is for mommy.
She was too big for everything. Remember the seat when we first got
Look,
it?
look, she just want to eat. Look, want to eat everything. No, baby. No, this is not for you. You food is
Was
right
the seat
there.
too big for her?
It has
No,
that,
baby.
It has that seat inside it. Look. See?
No, baby. Your food is right there.
You don't understand. She just
She jumped or attacked her.
attacked it.
Did she finish all of it?
Yeah.
Look at you, baby.
And I.
No, the food is right there. Oh my god. No, you're done. We're going from using this baby spoon to use the big one. And she finished all. Wow. Good job, baby.
Does she still need breast milk at this point?
Well, she still needs to eat. Look at this.
Let her drink it.
No, babe.
Why?
She can't even drink it.
Let
Did
her
you try?
Let her try. See what she does.
Suck on it.
She doesn't know how to suck through the straw.
He's trying to chew it.
Yeah. Just want to eat everything. No, baby. No. You already finished you.
He's not giving it back.
Let me give her this. Let's see. Yeah, baby. No. Here. Something different.
You can see
Oh no, don't get it all, baby.
When did she grow her teeth?
She have no teeth, but look at this.
Is that good? Is that good? It's not.
Oh no. No, baby.
What?
You can choke her.
She
Put it in the... Yeah, let me just hold it. No, baby. Here's your strap. No. 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 No, baby. No. Here.
about to eat your pancakes.
No, baby. Here's eat this.
Dang, Fatty McGoogle. You ate all that cereal.
Let's put in the sucking thing.
And the pacifier?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, she should just be able to eat food normally now.
No, this is too big. It can choke her. Look at you, baby. Good job. Hold on. You see me more? Okay, here, baby. Here's your strawberry. Oh my god. Look at you. Look at that. Good job, baby. Good job. Congratulations. Congratulations. And your first meal. No. Here. You are foodie, huh?
Foodie Magoo.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we're gonna go to the store and buy more food for you, baby. Calm down.
We should get her cantaloupe.
Calm down.
Right? You said that she likes cantaloupe.
Yeah, would be a good one to get.
Okay, baby. Did you have this appetite?
No.
You finished all your food, and look at you eat that, chop that strawberry like.
You're gonna have to take a massive crap after this.
Oh yeah, for sure. So this is the stuff that we're gonna use for the baby cake for her
Yeah.
at 6 months.
That's grapes.
Yeah.
This is watermelon.
So we're gonna use the grapes,
Watermelon.
the watermelon,
Cantaloupe.
and cantaloupe,
Strawberries.
and some strawberries and oranges.
I already said oranges.
Yeah. So are you ready to make this cake?
No, I'm not. I'm tired.
Well, get ready because we have to make this cake for her. Yeah, but so guys, we're about to make the cake for the baby, and I'm gonna show you guys the result. Let's get into it. Let's get into it.
There.
You're gonna see.
She's cutting watermelon now. Okay, we're this far. I have to cut all the seeds out.
Yeah. Just using these.
Toothpicks. And we're poking sides of the oranges to the cake.
Yeah, here's the cake. Oh my goodness.
It's not a cake.
It's actually cute. The fruity cake.
Fruit stack.
Yeah, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy 6 months, baby.
Yeah.
Now blow up the candle. Make a wish. Whoops. Oh.
Blow it out for her.
Now eat. Here.
Alright. Here. Just hand feed it to her.
Oh yeah. Oh
You
yeah.
like that, don't you, Anaya?
Oh yeah, baby.
Move that plate.
So guys, we're eating the cake now. Here. She's not gonna eat any sugar, no salt, not anything. Just natural food. And just healthy things. And this is a sign for you to do a cake for your kids too. Because this is fun. And then she's loving it. Literally she's eating everything. Every fruit. She's loving it. And you know, as a personal trainer and then as a mom, I have to choose the right nutrition for her. Oh yeah, baby. And she loves it. Look at this, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Look at
Give
that.
her some cantaloupe.
Yeah. Let's try that one too.
She likes cantaloupe. Remove that.
Hey baby, try this one.
It's probably too big.
Here. Here. There we go.
That's a little too far.
The little she loves every fruit. I'm so happy that she does.
Alright, I'm trying.
Okay, yeah. So guys, we're gonna stop the video right here. But thank you so much for watching our video, and wish my baby a happy 6 months. And we're gonna show you guys the next video.
Bye.